how to delete Binance account permanently on mobile. So first thing, you just need to make sure you have the Binance app installed on your phone. Then we're going to launch up the application like so, and you need to make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, click on this yellow icon in the top left hand side. Click on your user ID right at the top here. Head down to security and select this. Scroll all the way to the bottom and select manage account. Then we will have two options. You can either disable your account or delete your account permanently. Now, if you choose the first option to disable your account, this is more of a temporary thing and we can re-enable this at a later date. If you just want to delete your account permanently, then select delete account. At the bottom, select the reason why you want to delete your account. I'm just going to select no longer want to use this account and press continue. Accept the terms and conditions. On this screen, it will tell you what you currently have holding on your account. So obviously all of this data and assets will be lost. So make sure you have withdraw the balance on your account before deleting. Accept terms and condition and press delete account. Then you will need to complete both of these security checks to delete it. So go ahead with the facial verification, and you also need to verify with your passkeys, and once you finish that, your account will be deleted successfully. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.